what's up? It's your girl Sashie E. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing mini twists on my hair, you guys. So in the last video that I did like some cornrows going to the back, because I did let you guys know that for the summertime, I'm just going to be dropping back to back protective styles. So in that video, I asked you guys what other styles would you guys like to see, and I received 2 comments saying that you guys would like to see mini twists. So of course I'm going to do it. So as you guys can see, I've already done the back took about an hour, and to be honest, I wasn't really too careful with my parting and things like that. Yes, I'm pretty sure I still parted it really nicely, but I wasn't like putting like shine and jam and stuff on my part. So for the front though, I do have to be a little bit more careful with my parting and making sure that it's super duper neat. So I will be using shine and jam for my parts today, and to twist I'll be using the Melanin Hair Care Twist Elongating Style Cream. So this is all that I've been using so far. So as far as my hair, you guys, my hair has already blow dried. So I washed it last night and I slept with it, and then I did like a light blow dry with my Rev Air. So I'm just gonna go ahead and split it in half and just get started with twisting. So now that I've parted my hair, I'm just going to get a little bit of the Melanin Hair Care Cream, put it on my fingers. And then I'm actually going to plait my root first. I always like to do my mini twist this way, just so that my roots could be nice and flat. So I do plait it for about a ½ centimeter, and then I just twist it all the way down. As you guys can see, because I did the plaits first, like it is so flat, you guys. You can actually see the parts and things like that, which I absolutely love.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. Your touch from your hands and your body, it hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your
Finally, 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 finally. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, so now I'm about to fix up my edges. I'm using the Kiss Edge Fixer. I usually use the Arcani Coil Care, but y'all, I could not find it, and this works just as well. So yeah, I'm just going to get my edges together just so the style can look a little bit more polished. So now I'm going to be going in with some Shine and Jam Set and Mousse, you guys, just to set the style off basically. So this Set and Mousse does help with flyaways and things like that, and to really give the style a more polished look. For me, it also helps to make my twist a little bit more juicy, because as you guys can see, my hair can be a little bit on the not so dense side. So whenever I do twists and things like that, it can come across a little bit thin, so it helps to give it a more juicy look. So this part did cut off just a little bit, guys, but basically what I'm doing is adding that Shine and Jam Magic Fingers mousse to the ends of my hair, you guys, and then I am going to get a perm rod and I'm just going to wrap it around a couple times just so that I can get some curls on the ends of my hair. Hey guys, so your girl is back and here's my hair. So I did go ahead and I added these perm rods because I did do a trim last week and I just felt like my ends were unraveling on me, so I decided to add these perm rods. I really hope that they are dry though, because my hooded dryer is broken, so I was trying to do it with the regular like handheld blow dryer. So let me go ahead and just take this off. Okay, y'all, it's dry. Ooh, it is dry. Hold on, this one feels a little wet, but that's okay. Okay, y'all, I got some curls on the end. Ooh. Hold on. Do y'all like it with the curls? I think it's such a nice touch. Hold on, let me try to get this. All right, there we go, you guys. So this is how it's looking with the little curls on the ends. Guys, so I am back, and as you guys can see, the mini twist turned out great. It is such a versatile protective style for the summer, and thank you guys for recommending this, because I was not thinking about doing mini twists, but these came out so bomb, especially with the little curls on the end. You guys, I am loving it. So yeah guys, as far as the amount of twists that I have in my hair, I did count. I counted the last time and I had 99, I think, and I counted this time and I have 133, and it took about 3 hours to do, which is I think double the time from last time, you guys. I was like, oh my gosh, am I really still twisting? So yeah, I was doing this for about 3 hours or so, but I think it was well worth it. every time I do mini twist, I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm only gonna keep it in for 3 days, but I'm definitely gonna try to stretch this for as long as possible. Hopefully a week and a half, or 2 weeks I will keep it in. But yeah guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this content, as always, please go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Give your girl a thumbs up. If you have any comments, any questions, please be sure to leave those down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. I do post multiple times per week, so definitely turn on your bell so you don't miss an upload from me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.